Sir, may we also have an update about former Congressman Zaldico? Why is it difficult for the government to bring him home?
You
Any
cannot
update?
bring him home because that is not the way it works. We have to ask the assistance of the country where he is in, which is presently Portugal. So that is what we have done. Naglagay na tayo ng red notice sa Interpol at patuloy ang ating ugnayan sa mga Portuguese authorities na pauwi na siya. And that's the process that you do not send your own police to go and pick him up kasi wala naman jurisdiction ng police dun sa kung saan yung ibang bansa. So they cannot arrest anyone. So it will have to be with the assistance of the hosting country.